9:46 a.m., 11/10/2013. I have a daily chart right here on Apple Computer. One thing about Apple is that we still believe in it. We still believe that they're going to sell a lot for the Christmas season, even though that there's a lot of controversy around it. I will also be happy to tell you that every analyst out here is behind it, and they're behind the fundamentals. The stock made a high over here when it reported earnings. One of the things that I'm going to point out is that high was 539 and a quarter. We sold down, undercut the 20-day simple moving average. The low was 512.38. We bounced right back up to a high of 521 on Friday. We're above the 20 simple day moving average. The 10-day moving average is the resistance in the short term. Okay. And that Apple made that major support line right here where that breakout was from this area here. So when we had major support levels before, Icon is behind it. We rallied up. We took out the resistances. They popped it up on the earnings report. Then they sold it down because there was a lot of concerns about what their gross margins and were going to be. Mr. Cook sandbagged the quarter just like old Steve Jobs used to do when he used to report earnings when he was alive. So we know that the iPad is ramping up good. We know where support level is. It made that all-time low, 512. That was a major daily support level, this trend line MMTs. And here, I'm just going to blow up this part of the chart where the breakout happened on a daily level. And what it looks like at that major monumental support level, if we were to come back down and break 512, well, the next major support level is going to be clear down here where this trend line is. Okay? And what is that price where that trend line is? It's roughly right around 505.37. Okay? So the 10-day is the wall of resistance. Once we get back above the 10-day and it flattens out and we can consolidate where this support level was, we dip below it and we get up above it and whatnot, and we broke down it. We got to consolidate above 520 in order to get it, and then the 530 wall of resistance comes into play, and so forth and whatnot. So Apple Computer, all eyes, it's had a very good trading day. They were buying the dips. It's at the end of the calendar year. As long as the fundamentals hold up, they blew out the quarter. They did very good in this last quarter reporting here. So that was in October there. They reported their quarterly reports, and we have that live on stockmarketfunding.com. All you really need to do is take the next right step. If you're looking for management, you're looking for trading capital, we're here. Click on free trial tab. Read the page. Get started today. Go back up to the trading tab. Open an account with us. You can open an account with us. Go through the video. Open the account tab. Get started today. Look at the pattern day trading rule, how that affects you. If you have a $5,000 trading account, we'll give you $50,000 intraday. You have a $10,000 account, we'll give you $150,000 intraday. Yes, you heard what I said. Then we have a live trading room. Back to the Apple chart. It's very simple to understand that we are ready to buy at the support levels and continue making markets with Apple on an intraday level. On the stockmarketfunding.com website, if you want to see all the live trades before the fact, not after the fact, go AAPL in the search box, hit enter. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to lots of Apple. Here's the earnings spike to 542 and after hours that we were talking about. They were all done live so that you have a bellwether. What do I mean by that? A wall of information with live trading and markets with Apple that you can see, whether it was quarterly earnings, intraday, how to sell short, how to go long, you name it. Apple has hit a major support level within its bull rally. Icon is behind the stock. All the institutions have taken their price targets higher. Buy at the dips and sell into the what? The rips.